Hi all, welcome to Neutral Mind channel. Today we will discuss about SAP Landscape and TR creation, release and copy. Okay. First we will discuss about SAP Landscape in real-time system. Okay. In real-time system we have development, quality, production and Sandbox servers available in generally. Development, quality assurance, production and Sandbox. Sandbox. In development server, generally we are having two clients. One is golden master client, other one is UT client. Example, golden master, example you can specify 100. Okay, client. Okay, another one is example 110. In golden master, whatever new configuration and new ABAP developments are there, we can do in golden master. We can copy the changes to 110. 110 is UT client, unit testing client. In unit testing client we can check if TR released or not released. We can copy, system will allow. We can copy with TR, we can copy with SCC1 transaction code. Okay, in some clients they are having one more client that is got generally we are using above new changes and configuration changes, functional configuration changes, we are using 100. Projects some projects they are using one more client that is for above development. Example 120. Yeah, in development there is golden master client we are using SD configuration as well as development, above new developments. Some clients they are using functional configuration in golden master client. Some projects they are using separate client for above development changes purpose. Okay, whenever above change development in their 100 or 120, it will automatically copy all development environment. No need to go with SCC1. Functional modules they are changing, if they change any configuration, they create a new configuration in 100. They need to copy through SCC1 and TR to other development clients. That purpose we are using. As for this one, golden master is for new configuration for functional module. In some projects they are using same client for above new development. Some clients they are using above development purpose separate client. This is one. UT client is common. If above development or functional configuration, both we can copy through SCC1 in UT client. We can test it, then we can move it to quality. This is the development environment. Next, quality assurance server. Quality assurance server generally, most probably we are using, most of the times we are using single client. Example 300. Okay, 300. In some projects they can use two clients here. Okay, example 310. Why they are using? Users can test in one client. Consultants will test one client, but most probably they are using single client for quality server. Most important thing is production server. Production server is single in any client. Production server is single client in any. Example 300. Production server, whatever we have developed in development, we can test it in Unity client. After that we can move it to quality. In quality, UAT will happen by users. Once they accepted it, we can move it to production. That is production. This is real time. Real time business happens in production, because we cannot do any testing or developments in production server. That is the thing. Sandbox generally we are using for whenever we got a new requirement, we will test in Sandbox. Then we can do it in development to quality to production. We can move it. For that, it is like IDS system. Generally they can use a single client here. Example, we can take 400. Sometimes Sandbox they can use two clients also, because one client is for experiment purpose, another client is for backup purpose. Generally we can use Sandbox single client. Okay, here in SAP, in SAP we have 4 servers: development, quality, production and Sandbox. Development is for new configuration and new development purpose, and unit testing purpose we are using it. Quality is for, most probably we are using for UAT, user testing. Whenever we test in development, again we can test in quality, then we can move it to UAT. That is easy. Okay, once quality UAT accepted, user accepted their testing, we are moving to production. Okay, in production level, real time transaction will happen, because we cannot do any testing or new development here. Sandbox is, that is experiment system. We can do any experiment in Sandbox. This is the SAP Landscape. Yeah, now we will discuss about transport request. There is four servers and different clients are there. How we are creating new transports, new whenever we are changing new developments or new configuration, we need to create one transport request. We can copy to UAT client through SCC1. After that we can release in SE09. Once SE09 we release in SE09 or SE10, we can move it to quality with help of basis. Once UAT accepted, with help of basis we will move it to production. Okay, Sandbox automatically we will they can copy in seasonal. Okay, this is the changes. Sometimes whenever we release through SC9 and SC10, automatically it will move it to quality for some projects, some bigger projects only. Generally once we release, functional consultant or above consultant released their tier, basis team will move it. We can send it to basis team through mail, or some project there is option in ticketing tool. There we can mention, we can change next action is basis, they can move it to quality. That is one way. Another way is, some bigger projects, whenever we release in development, automatically it will move it to quality, because there is no effect in quality. Once UAT accepted only, we will move tier to production. Okay, we will check in real time scenario. Okay, this is my 800 client. POVI transaction. I am creating new transport. Wait for some time, it will take time. Okay, I am copying OR to ZOR. Why I am using Z? This is the most important thing. SAP using A2X, SAP using those words. They have given Y and Z to development to configure new configuration or above development. We are using Y or Z. Suppose one project is there, two bigger companies are implementing. That time one company is taking Y, one company is Z. Or we can, if you want to segregate developments, are using Y functional or Z. That is one way. Both are using Y or Z. It is not a problem. Y and Z we can use it. This is most important point. Okay. We are using, I am creating new an entry, already it is there. I am using Y O R. Okay. Oh, it is also available. ZOR 1. Okay. Yeah, I am changing. Okay, whenever I am saving it, it will ask you if you want use old own request. Okay, if you already you have any TR is there, you can use your own request. Otherwise you can create request here. Okay, in your project, based on example, your project name is unify new sales document and type date. Okay, 26/01/2020. Okay, like that you can create it. Once save it, it will show you TR. This is your TR. Save it. Our TR got created. We have created TR here. Okay, once TR is created, we need to copy it to UT, unit testing server. Okay, it is getting created. It is taking time. Just wait for few minutes, few seconds before we can use another server, another client to copy. We'll check whether it is saved or not. It is saving still. Once it is completed, you can use SCC1, because within server we are using different okay, from 800. This is oh god, can open new server with 810. Okay, it is got saved. 810 the admin. Okay, this is 810. Here I am using SCC1. From 800 we are copying to 810. Okay, This is our T code. Here two checkboxes are there, one is test run, one include. First we can run test run, because any errors are there it will show you in test run. Once you check both checkbox, start immediately, you can check it. It is copying. It is getting processing. Once it is completed, we will do original run. Program run successfully. Once it is completed, you can recheck it. You can run start immediately. You are copying now. Test run is completed. Originally you are copying to your other server. Now it has copied to 810 from 800. We can check in Vivo 8/n Vivo V8. Here ZOR1. Yeah, see, it is copied from 800 to 810. Okay, this is the copy, how to copy one client to one client within server. We have learned through SCC1 T code. Now we have release option is there. Once it is completed in UT client, we need to move it to quality to send it to UAT. For that we are using SE09 and SE10 transaction codes. Okay, /n SE09 SE09. Okay, display modifiable. Yeah, here you can here different customizing work requests and workbench request. Customizing request is your functional TS. Workbench request is above requests. Okay, modifiable and released. Which is not released, that is modifiable. Once released, it will come into released. Okay, display. It will show you your TR. You can check your TR here. Modifiable new sales document. This is our TR. Here you can expand it. Here child TR is come, parent TR is came. First you can release child TR. Click here and click on this truck symbol. Release directly. Okay. First you can release child TR. Once child TR is released, you can release parent TR. Then only your TR completely released. Now your child TR released, getting released. Now your child TR has been released. Then you can release parent TR. You can click on parent TR, click on truck symbol, release directly. Now it is getting released. It will take few seconds. Yeah, now your TR is released. It is not there in modifiable. Go back, deselect in modifiable. You can check in released. Workbench not required. Our customizing requests. Okay, let's see. Only one TR is released in your system. Once you have released your TR, you can send it to base system to move it to quality. Already we copied different clients in development through SCC1 Tcode. SCC1 Tcode. You quality and production and sandbox servers are different servers. We cannot move it to directly. We can release in SE09 and SE10. Same options are there, SE09 and SE10 level. Once it is get released, you can send it to base system. Or some projects there is you need to update your TR in your ticketing tool and put your status based on as they are provided. Release it to base system, to be released, to be move it to quality, something. Okay, once UAT is completed, you can send it to base system, or you can update in system to be moved to production, or some projects users can send it to production. These options are there. This is the SAP Landscape TR creation, copy and release. Okay, thank you. If you like my class, please subscribe my channel Neutral Minds. Thank you.